Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Wednesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do, I do believe. Link is going to be down below where you can take advantage of the fast and free shipping. You get one of these in no time. And let's find out what's inside. Oh boy. Here we go. Here we go. What is this? Alrighty. There's a thing right there. Let's see who this is coming from. Oh, come on. There we go. Alright, we get this out of the way. Put this right there. I'm not sure what this exactly is. Tigernu laptop backpack. Oh, sweet. Alright, YouTubers, we got a laptop backpack for all you vloggers out there, all you travel peeps. Where do my scissors go? Aha. Take a look inside. I don't have a laptop with me to show you guys, but we'll see what this thing's all about. And that's that season coming up for school. It's be good for college. All you college peeps out there. And now for high schoolers. Pretty much everybody. Oh, here we go. That's nice. Nice little travel. Here's the back. Look at this. Got the shoulders. Dang. Everything in here. Okay, there we go. Ugh. What is this thing? Oh, USB. So there's something USB inside here. Alright. See? Tigernu goes like that. Let's see, unzip this. Dang. It's a nice quality. Definitely a nice little sweet bag for you guys. It's pretty deep inside. Look at that. Where's that cord coming from, though? Oh, it's all the way in this zipper. Yeah, there's a zipper in here. See what I'm talking about right there? Interesting. Power charger? Oh. There's that. Not sure what that is though. It's USB something. Probably for your laptops to charge. This is definitely some high-tech stuff. James Bond right here. You get your memory cards put in here. Extra battery life. Oh, boy. Dang, this is a nice quality bag. So we got more zippers here. Dang. Fit your external hard drives in there. External Blu-ray players. A little strap you can carry. Hook it onto a hook. Yeah, this is nice. Pretty lightweight too. And you got the cord there. TG. See, there's them right there. My sinuses are killing me today, so bear with me. But you can plug it in there, USB device, charge your laptops, your Microsoft Surface, all that good stuff. You could carry on this Nintendo Switch. They got the new portables. That's pretty deep pocket too, all the way in here. Dang. Oh, yeah. Definitely be a nice going away gift for somebody that's going to school. Got the handle up here. You can carry it like this or hook it on to something. But dang. Let's see if you guys can see it better going out there. You got that right there. It's like almost like Kevlar. Nice jet black. Gunmetal. Got the side pockets here. Got the mesh. See through. This is really nice. Bag in there we already saw. Got some deep pockets in here. Fit your wallet, stuff like that. Makeup, I guess. For all your female bloggers. But this would be a nice little travel companion to take with you on the road. I got the USB right there. That is cool. Definitely never seen a bag like this before. So this is definitely something new to show you guys. There's a company. So thank you guys at Tigernu. And you got really nice padding for your back. So you can easily strap it on. Like that. Bada boom. It's like the back. There we go. You can always adjust. Got the clamps down here. Clamps here. Clamps everywhere. This is so cool. So definitely YouTubers, check them out. Link will be down below. Or you guys can get one at low cost. Definitely a nice travel buddy to take along with you and try something new out. Got the USB power going on. And then got the mesh right there. Good straps right here. No one's gonna steal this from you. Cut it. Definitely is gonna take a really big knife to cut this thing off, but pretty sturdy. So there you go. Side. There's that. I'm calling it something. There we go. There's that. Really nice. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good day. Check them out. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. Alright, see ya.